Hey guys, Mike DiDonato here from FIAMA Canada, and today we're going to be doing a descale cycle on a Jura J8. What you're going to need for this is the Jura descaling tablets. They come in a 3-pack or 36-pack, 2 receptacles to catch your spent water, a measuring jug to measure precisely 500 milliliters, and a full water tank. Pro tip, before you start this process, if you do have a filter in the machine, make sure you remove it. Once a descaler runs through a filter, it'll render it useless and essentially make all your coffees afterwards taste a little bit funny if they're running through that filter. So before starting, always remove your filter. Now, to start the process, you're going to select the gear on the bottom left corner. You're then going to click Descale. At this point, the machine will ask you to empty the tray. You're going to empty the tray. You're then going to get your measuring cup, put precisely 500 ml of water in it, add your 3 descaling tablets, and allow them to dissolve fully. You're going to end up with a blue, clear liquid. You're going to remove your water tank, empty it, and add precisely 500 ml of your descaling solution inside there. The machine's going to run through its process. Once your machine has gone through all the descaling solution, make sure you give your tank a good rinse with fresh water before refilling. It's then going to run fresh water through, complete the cycle, and you're done. Thank you for watching how to descale the Jura J8. Check out our Instagram at FIAMA_Canada for some cool and fun content, and our website, fiama.ca, for all your Jura maintenance product needs.